Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to configure a proxy in Janitor AI. So let's get started. The first thing that you need to do is get an API key. So for this tutorial, I'll be using OpenRouter. So you're going to open your browser and visit the OpenRouter website. If you don't already have an account, click the sign up button in the top right corner and create one. Once you've logged in, go to the API key section and select create key. Here, you can choose a name for your key, set a credit limit if needed, enable reset limits, and choose an expiration date. After creating the key, you'll see your API key appear. Make sure to copy it immediately and store it somewhere safe because you won't be able to view the full key again later. This key can be used with OpenAI compatible apps and your own projects, but for this tutorial, we'll only be using it with Janitor AI. Now go back to the Janitor AI, open the menu from the top right corner and select API settings. Choose the proxy option, then click new to create a new proxy setup. Enter any name you want for your proxy. For example, you can call it something like My Free DeepSeek or OpenAI, depending on the model you're connecting. For the model name, make sure you enter the correct model ID. For example, if you're using DeepSeek, enter the exact model name provided, such as DeepSeek, DeepSeek Chat v30324. And for the proxy URL, you could enter this https openrouter.ai API v1 chat completions, then paste your OpenRouter API key into the API key field. You can also add a custom prompt if you want, but you can leave it empty for now. Once everything is filled in, click Add to save the proxy. Refresh your Janitor AI page, and after it loads again, your setup will be complete. You can now start chatting with your bot using your new AI model and enjoy your available free messages. So that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.